Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Don Alabi from Ghanaian photography. So as you're aware, I'm a photographer, and most of the time, if I'm not shooting or retouching, I'm sending works to clients, and mostly it's done via the internet, Google Drive or email or some other mean, but it's all through the internet. So fast internet is an issue to me. Now, I normally use Vodafone or Glo, not MTN yet, because I'm not having most people using MTN always complain and all that. So I decided to use Vodafone. And with Vodafone, I can't say much about them concerning their, they rolled out 4G, but in my neighbor, I'm at Barcelona Painters, but I don't get 4G in my neighborhood. Vodafone, just so you know, I don't get 4G. When I move out of my apartment, maybe about 100 meters down the street, I get 4G. But even that, Charlie, is nothing good to write home about. So I decided to get the MTN TurboNet. It's a 4G service, but then according to them, it's way faster than the normal 4G. So I got this from Barcelona Total just this afternoon, and I want to unbox it and show you guys what it entails. Now I'm getting this because of my upcoming workshop, the Shop 3.0. It's a photography workshop, a yearly photography workshop. This is the third year, so it's 3.0, happening at iSpace on the 21st of September 2019. Now I do most live shows on Instagram and then on YouTube, so internet speed is very, very crucial to me. I was using Vodafone, but most of the time, people complain there is buffering and all that, so I had to put a hold on it for some time. That's why I decided to get this, and then the workshop will be streamed live on YouTube on the 21st of September. So I needed a reliable device, a reliable provider. And somebody has been telling me about this MTN TurboNet, so I've decided to purchase one. So I need to try it before the date, so I'll know if I can rely on this or I'll have to get something else. So without much ado, I think we can, yes, start it. But before then, please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so and hit the bell button so you don't get to miss any of my tutorials. So let's just go straight and unbox it. I can smell it. When you have a new device, that smell that comes with it, that smell. So this is one. I see Huawei Omni Antenna AF78. This is the Huawei 4G router B612 with a MTN starter pack. Okay, so that's all there is in this box. So let's put this somewhere, and then you can start. So let's, I need to get a screwdriver to be able to tear this. One second. I got myself a pair of scissors. This for a makeup artist. It got left in my studio. As this is my backdrop, my straight box. Yeah. So let's tear this down. So when I bought it from Barcelona Total, they asked me to wait for an hour before I can start using it. Why? I don't know. They said they have to activate my SIM and blah 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 and all that. So this is it. Oh, so I think this is the antenna to increase the signal or something. So let's hope I won't have to use the antenna, because I know most people who use it don't even need to use the antenna. So we'll just put this away and concentrate on this guy. See, where do I open this thing? Oh, it's here. So we need to tear it as well. That's the seal to make sure it's new. Alrighty. So As usual, quick start guide. The router, and it has Ethernet ports at the back. Normally 4 Ethernet ports. And as you can see, there is MTN logo on it, one-way logo also. Now inside the box, we have, of course, power adapter, then a UTP cable. This should be Cat 6, they still do Cat 5. Let me see. Where is it? It should be Cat 6. Well, who cares? This is the UTP. Then this is the telephone cable. I think it does some voice or something also. So guys, that's all there is in this box. So I won't need this. I have lots of stuff. So I'll put those back in the box. Quick start. I don't think I'll need this. All I'll need is the power adapter and the router. And the SIM card. So I'm just going to see up this SIM card right here. SIM card. And I'm going to put this away also. So guys, that whole thing you saw, this is what we have. The router, power adapter, and the SIM card. In case I will need to boost the signal, then I'll have to install this behind the router. It has a place where somewhere here where you can set that. So this has some indicators there, and then this place shows where to set the SIM card or something like that. So, yeah. This is where to set the SIM card, the micro SIM card. So I'll have to tear it and put it in there. So guys, I will have to wait for that 1 hour, install the SIM card in, power it on, and then test it, see if it will be good for my live streams. If it's good, I'll let you guys know in the next video. If it's not too, I'll let you guys know. So thank you for joining me unbox this MTN TurboNet 4G enabled device. So let's see how it goes. If it goes well, as I said, I'll let you know, and if it doesn't go well too, I'll let you know.
As I mentioned, I said I was going to give it a try and then get back to you guys. So yes, this is the device on a normal working mode. So we have this as the connectivity light. So that's what shows if you have internet running. This is the power button. This is Wi-Fi. And then this, because there is we have some RJ45 ports at the back. I'm not connected to any of them, and this shows the signal. Guys, this is amazing. I haven't connected the external antenna that comes with this device, but already I'm having 4 bars out of 5. It fluctuates. Sometimes, as you can see, it moves to 3 bars. Sometimes it goes to 4. Sometimes it moves to 3. So as you can see, it's back to 4. So I'm yet to use the external antenna. This device on its own, without the external antenna, it's very, very good, and it works in my neighborhood as well. The speed is very good. I haven't run an online speed test, but I've used it for uploading folders and downloading and all that. And my guys, Charlie, it's very, very, very fast. It's worth it. I've tried it for live stream on Instagram. It was very good. The feedback was good. My videos are now crisp. They are crystal clear, as people will say. I haven't used it for YouTube live yet because I'm yet to hit 1K. So as soon as I hit 1K, I'll use it for my YouTube live using my phone. I don't want to use the webcam on my laptop. I want the real quality. So I'll do that once I hit 1K, and then there will be another video to let you guys know the speed. But for now, it's so amazing. So you guys can go ahead and get it. It's worth it. The only thing I don't know if it's from MTN or it's from Virgin Total. I was told within 1 hour my SIM card would be activated and I'll be able to use it. But it took more than 1 hour. I had to go back there, make 2 other follow-up calls before the device was running later that evening. Apart from that, everything else is good. And, so that's that.
I hope this has been informative for you, and I would like to thank you for watching.